Hello adventurers! Today we're diving into the world of the TheFitLife collapsible trekking poles, designed for both men and women who love hiking with lightweight, folding walking sticks that feature an extra-long foam handle and a reliable metal flip lock. These poles are perfect for individuals between 4 feet 11 inches and 6 feet 2 inches, offering a customizable fit with adjustable wrist straps and an ergonomic EVA foam handle that absorbs sweat and reduces hand fatigue, allowing for a comfortable grip even on the toughest trails. The collapsible design, connected by a durable polyethylene fiber cable, allows the poles to fold into 3 parts, making them easy to store in your backpack or luggage, while weighing only 9.4 ounces each, ensuring you conserve energy on long treks. Crafted from lightweight 7075 aluminum alloy, these poles are not only durable but also help reduce stress on your back and knees, with a metal lever lock and hidden button locking mechanism for added stability. The tungsten steel tips, along with rubber tips, mud baskets, and snow baskets, ensure a firm grip on any terrain, making these trekking poles versatile for all weather conditions. With adjustable heights from 115 centimeters to 135 centimeters, these poles are quick to adjust with an external metal lock clip, providing security and rigidity for all your hiking adventures. Experience the satisfaction of a high-quality, portable, and versatile trekking pole that meets all your expectations and enhances your hiking experience. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.